Again, on behalf of the Governor of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, myself personally, thank you very much. Sorry. And we got hand cards and stickers too, in memory of Mike.
First and foremost, I want to thank you so much for coming today. My son was a passionate motorcycle rider. It was not a hobby. His friends will tell you that. He would go off for 500 miles all by himself. That's how much he loved to be on that motorcycle. I am going to work my ass off to bring awareness to the South Shore that is not as good as it should be. And it's going to be my effort to bring more awareness to not only us as riders, but the way that they're not being convicted for taking out a life. I can't understand it. I'm going to work very hard to figure it out. It's unacceptable that people do not see jail time. We're going through a trial right now, and I can't even imagine what the outcome is going to be. I'm not prepared for it, but we can't live with this. And if we have to unite in a different way, then we will. So I want to thank you so much. Everything that you've done today is helping us bring awareness, and we're going to continue to do this. And this breakfast will be a reoccurring event every year. We already booked next year's date here with the hall. So thank you so much, and I appreciate you and love you all.
Thank you.